man holds an old camcorder. Shaky footage shows him walking through a dense jungle. Suddenly he stops, whispering, pointing to a small glowing device on his wrist. The device speaks softly, oxygen levels critical, activating Symbiotic AI. The man breathes easier as vines part, revealing a hidden ancient city. He smiles. I thought AI was just machines taking over, turns out it saved humanity here. The camcorder flickers, showing flashbacks of the AI merging with plants, purifying air. The man touches the device. We're not enemies. We need each other to survive. The footage ends with the jungle thriving, the device pulsing softly on his wrist, proof that AI and nature can be one, a silent symbiotic necessity.